Hi guys, I'm Susie from SJ Sports Therapy, and today I'm just going to talk to you about how you can strap your knee. Now, what we're going to focus on with this one is some strapping for your ITB, so your iliotibial band, which is the band that comes down from the front of your hip to the outside of your leg and your knee. So this kind of portion here, okay? So first of all, I'm going to ask Donna if she could just bend her knee, and we're obviously just going to have a little assessment of the area, okay? So what we're going to do first of all, we're going to keep the knee slightly bent. We're going to get our K-tape, and we're going to cut approximately 3 squares, okay? So we're going to round these off to make sure that we don't catch the edges, so just round these, okay? And then we are going to prepare the area by, you can use a little bit of adhesive spray if you need to. If you haven't got any, that's absolutely fine. It's worth mentioning that if you have got hairy legs, it's probably better to shave them and do it probably the day before you're going to tape it. So we've got a piece of tape, we can just rub it in our hands to get it nice and warm, all right? So we're going to peel in the middle of the tape here and just peel back the ends very slightly, okay? We're going to stick this to the outside of the knee with approximately 25% stretch, okay? So this is no stretch, this is about 25% stretch, all right? Just popping that there. Now we're making an arc movement, okay? An arc shape on the outside of the knee. So slightly in, slightly up, okay? Up and round, okay? So that's the first one we're gonna do for that. We're gonna cut a second piece. So the first one was three squares long. It's going to be a bit longer, so 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, depending on the length of your leg, okay? So if you're a bit taller, obviously you need to have a little bit more tape. Again, we're going to round the ends, just so that they don't catch, and it'll help it stay on longer. And again, you can use the adhesive spray if you want to. We're going to warm up the tape between our hands. Okay, and this time, we're going to peel off the end, so just peeling off the end strip, just like that, 1 square. We're going to pop that just over the top of that last piece we've got on the outside there, and we're going to rub that down. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to ask Donna to just straighten her leg. Okay, she's got a bit of tension on that piece there, and then we're going to just gently, again, 25% pull this up, and we've just got Donna's shorts here, so I'm just going to pop these up a touch and out to the side there, right up the thigh. So again, depending on how tall you are, you might want to do a sort of slightly longer length, okay? So either we can leave it at that, or we can just do one more strip over the top, which I'm going to do in this case. So again, I'm going to use a 3, okay? Cut that around the edges. Okay, and we're just going to go over the top of what's already there. So again, warming the tape in your hands. And this time we're going to do the same, but we're going to arc the opposite way. So just peeling this time in the middle. So there you go. And popping the tape down over the top, making an arc with the outside. Okay, so just pushing that down, smoothing it down. So again over the top, and then just up and out. Okay, all right. So that should be absolutely plenty for you. If you feel like you need an anchor, you can absolutely pop one over the top, but that should be absolutely fine for you. This should stay on for about 3 to 5 days, and that should really help to support that area.